In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Vinted password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a strong new password so your account stays secure. You'll just need a web browser and access to your Vinted account. Start by heading to vinted.com. Type the address directly into your browser's address bar and make sure you see the secure padlock icon next to the URL. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your account settings. These steps work best on desktop, but the layout is similar in the mobile browser. Once you're on Vinted, look toward the top right of the page for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. If the icon isn't visible, double check that you're signed in or try widening your browser window so the menu appears. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account preferences where you manage personal information and privacy. Think of this section as your control center for everything related to your profile. Inside Settings, find and click Security. This is where Vinted groups features that protect your account, such as login preferences and password options. It's the right place to go anytime you want to tighten your account's defenses. Next, click Password. You'll be taken to the password change screen. This page is dedicated to updating your credentials safely, and it helps ensure you're the one making the change. Now enter your new password in the first field. Choose something unique that you don't use on other sites. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A longer passphrase made of several unrelated words is also a great option. Avoid personal details that others could guess. In the second field, re-enter the same new password. This confirmation step checks for typos. Take a moment to compare carefully. Matching both entries prevents errors and saves time. Finally, click Change Password. Wait for the success message to appear. After the change, you may be signed out on other devices for security, which is normal. If prompted, sign back in with your new password. Consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you won't lose it, and update any devices or browsers that remembered your old password. That's it. Your Vinted password is now updated. If you ever can't access your account to follow these steps, use the Forgot Password option on the login page to recover access securely. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.